What's up, y'all? We in the hood at the car show, you feel what I'm saying? On East Warren. Police just try to shut it down. All type of shit was just going on. But, you know what I mean? I'm chilling. Big Dookie. Got Ashley and the kids back there, my son, her son. We just chilling, man. We're chilling. A couple cars out here. They cleared this shit out. It was cars everywhere, man. They cleared this shit out, y'all. Feel me? Dude, getting the trophies up there. You know what I mean? We just living life, baby. That's all. But yeah, cars is on the other side. I think I seen a Bentley over there or a Rolls Royce. A couple things out there. But I ain't gonna, you know what I mean, talk too much. Copyright going on. And I don't need that. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. More parts pulled up. Are you? Ashley over here choking y'all. Got them Ruchies on here. Nice color combo. At the Jeep. With the interior in that bitch. Got this boy. Motherfucking nasty. Hold on, Taco. Look at Taco, y'all. Tell him we won.
We won!
We just won another one. That's the East Warren Car Show.
Everyone.
You know what I'm saying?
Everyone
This is a
won.
quick video, y'all. I told y'all this was gonna be a quick video. You know what I mean? We got the kids with us. We're gonna be getting it out, you feel me? But I figured I'll go ahead and film anyway. But I'm out this thing. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, it's gonna be a short video. I didn't even know about the car show, honestly. But you know, we took another one home today. I'm out this thing.